Hey everybody, Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor here, coming to you from this deal of the week in Turlock, California. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home for $550, so quite a good deal. Wanted to show you around. As you come in the front door here, you will notice you have this beautiful living space here. So we pan around this way, you can see we come, there's the stairwell as well, coming down the hallway. So let's just walk down the hallway here a little bit. Of course, all the guys want to see in the garage. So, hey guys, here's the garage. And then as we continue in, you come in here, you've got your dining area over here and your kitchen with an island, nice stainless steel appliances. And you come into your main living area here. One of the cool things about this home is that it features a full bedroom and bathroom downstairs. So here's full bedroom downstairs with a closet, and you also have a full bath downstairs. Nice granite countertops in here as well. And as we come back this way through the living area, we're gonna go ahead and take a quick sneak peek outside in the backyard. It's got a nice backyard area here. Wraps around this way, wraps all the way around the house this way. Keep giving you a tour here so you can see all the way down the house. And then a side yard area with a gate there. So good size yard here with lots of potential of various things that you can do with it. And then we're gonna go back into the dining room. And as we come back into the dining room, we're gonna go ahead and make our way upstairs. So let's go ahead and make the jaunt up the stairs. When you get upstairs, you got this nice little Juliet landing area here. So you can stay in here, sing out, oh, or whatever you wanna do, or don't do that. Nice thing here also is you got the laundry room upstairs. As you make your way this way, you've got a very good sized bedroom in here. And then over on this side is the bathroom here. Hi everybody. It also goes into here. And one of the cool things about this is that this bedroom has direct access to this bathroom as well, which is a great feature. And this one also features a walk-in closet in it as well, which is awesome. And then we're gonna go into the master primary bedroom here. Good size primary bedroom. You come into the master bathroom. Hi everybody again. Dual sinks, shower. Everybody wants to see the toilet room. And then also the walk-in closet here. So this is the deal of the week. This awesome 4-bedroom with a full bed and bath downstairs, 3-bath home in Turlock, California. Asking price on it, $550. If you'd like more information about this, drop me a message, send me an email. You can always text me, call me, 209-923-1550. Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor. Everybody have a great day, and we'll talk soon.